No, let's get into it because it's really giving body. What's up, YouTube? And welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this look, how I got those baby hairs, and another variation of not so dramatic baby hairs as well. I'm just going to be showing y'all the overall process of me installing this unit, brought to you by SVT Hair. Shout out to them, and I thank them for sponsoring this video. If you are interested in how I got this look, the overall look, the layers, the curls, the body, honey, the install, the baby hairs, just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we jumping right into it. What's up? This hair, like I said, is brought to you by SVT Hair. As mentioned in the intro, I'm showing y'all everything that came in my package, and I'm giving y'all a little bit of the hair details. Let's get into it. This was the hair freshly bleached, washed, shampooed, all of that, conditioned, and blow dried. So this is what the unit is given. It's blow dried straight, but this is a body wave unit. It is in 28 inches, and it is an HD lacy unit. Y'all, let's get into it. Let's just get into it. Like, I know I'm just starting off installing this unit, but it's so bomb, y'all. I will have all the details, by the way, in the description box down below in case that was too fast for y'all, or you just need more details, or you just want to check the unit out for yourself on the website. Everything was going good, y'all, with this install, and we are just at the beginning up until this point. Like, y'all are about to see the frustration. As you can see, my glue is not coming out, baby. Glue everywhere. It got clogged up. This is why you need to keep track of your freaking glue top, because it got clogged, and I squeezed it until that happened. Anyways, child, we still made it do what it do. Ignore my ball cap, it's not all that, but it's gonna have to do. So y'all just see me putting my first layer of glue on. Nothing too crazy, y'all. Literally, this wig, this unit, so bomb. It was so silky, so soft, and I genuinely mean that. Like, from the moment that I put this unit on until after me installing it and everything, it was so silky and smooth. I love the quality of the actual hair that was on this unit. I feel like the only con I had for this install was that the cap size was kind of small for my head. So if they do offer like the option for cap size, definitely just choose the like largest one or medium. I feel like this is a medium, and I don't got a big head, but it still was not really. I had to make it do what it do. Like, it was just fitting. And you know when you can make a wig still fit even though it's snug, but versus having like a little bit of extra room, which I like to have. So anyways, I'm just cutting the lace off now with a razor, and y'all see me kind of part some hair out from the front to cut that off, just so I can create my own hairline. Now y'all, bear with me. I know it's giving wigiana, it's giving wig for sure, but just bear with me. I chose to not pluck this wig until it was on my head, and unfortunately my camera was not rolling for the actual process of that, but y'all will end up seeing that I'll basically be mentioning to y'all by just showing y'all tweezers that I plucked it. But anyways, we not to that point yet. I got my hot comb. I'm doing a middle part, of course. I'm trying to get that part as straight as I can while that lace is melting. Y'all saw me use a little bit of got to be glued just so that the lace melts into my skin, and that band and that little got to be glued little spray, it really just takes your lace to invisible. That's where it takes it, right there. Like, it really helps melt. So yeah, now I'm just using my Care wax stick and my hot comb. Best combo for getting a really flat foundation at the top. Y'all know I always say it in every hair video, the hot comb is my best friend. Okay, the hot comb is just gonna be your best friend during the install when you want a really flat top, flat foundation, whatever you want to call it. So I'm getting ready to take that band, and do y'all see that? That's no baby hair. That's no baby hair. And I didn't even pluck, for real. Like, I didn't even pluck this unit yet. So y'all just see me perfecting the part because the band was kind of in the way. So yeah, I'm just going in to make the part straighter. And y'all, that was literally so simple. I was actually rushing on this install as well, but I think this was one of my favorite installs that I've done so far. And just the quality of the hair just made it all the more better to install. The lace that you use really matters in how your install is going to come out. So y'all see me parting out some baby hair now. This part, I always say, I learn best watching. I don't know about y'all. It's not that hard to explain, so I'll just kind of walk y'all through what I'm doing, but y'all just see me part out the baby hair. I'm gonna part the same amount of hair on the other side as well, so that both sides look the same. I'm gonna use my hot comb to make those hairs come straight down instead of back, and the rest is history. I'm gonna curl these baby hairs with my really skinny flat iron. I'm gonna cut them with a razor, honey, and I'm gonna go in with some Got To Be glue spray, I believe. Curling those baby hairs, y'all already should know the trick by now. It just really makes doing baby hair so much more easier, and I feel like I'm starting to perfect that wispy baby hair look that I like. That's not too, it depends on what I'm going for. I was gonna say not too flat to the head. Sometimes I like that look though with some gel, and then other times I like a wispier, curly, effortless baby hair. So that is what I meant by showing y'all the two different variations of what I did. Here you can see they're very long. You always want to go longer so you can cut later versus cutting too short. So I curled them while they were really long, and I'm just doing 2 on each side, y'all, nothing too crazy. And yes, there I am, curling. And I wore them super dramatic for like a day, and then I came back to finish this video, and I ended up cutting them because I was like, they could be a little shorter. But y'all just see me spraying Got To Be glue spray on my what is that called, edge brush there. And you kind of just have to keep playing with them a little bit, but since you flat ironed them, that should make them way easier and like curl them. And I try to focus most of the product at the base of the baby hair and kind of just dragging it down, and that's what it was given. They was long, they was curly, they was dramatic. So that's one way that you can do them. And then like I said, I eventually just end up cutting them shorter. But now I'm going in with my bed head wand curl. I'm showing y'all that I did do some extra plucking off camera, and I did use my spray for the part. And now I'm just going to be doing some wand curls. Super self-explanatory. This is a, I don't even know what inch barrel. It's either 1 or 1.5, something like that. It's pretty like a decent size to give you some effortless wand curls. So yeah, as y'all can see, the baby hairs do look different. All I did was cut them, literally. Like I just cut them a little bit shorter and did the same exact thing. And to style the hair, I did just go in with the wand curl. Like I said, I may or may have not used my bio silk on the actual hair. I don't remember. All I know is that it was super soft and silky, and I dang near didn't even need no bio silk. So if I didn't use any, the hair just looked really good. But I think I did, y'all, because it's giving a little sheen, a little shine, but the hair naturally gave that as well. So yeah, I feel like I've been talking a lot. This install was super duper easy. I didn't even mention it, y'all, in the beginning, but I used bow hole glue to lay the unit down. So yeah, and this is what the hair was giving. I feel like I didn't want to drag it all day long and do it the same thing over and over and over. So I ended up cutting some layers in the hair, and that was literally it, y'all. Super simple, super easy, really cute and effortless. This is how the hair turned out. Y'all see it, it's bouncing, it's shining. I took my wide tooth comb through it, and I just loved the outcome of this unit. I feel like it was so easy. It didn't take me like that long at all to do. And this has been one of my favorite installs to actually like record for y'all. So yeah, shout out to SVT Hair. I thank y'all so much for sponsoring this video. This unit is so bomb. I definitely, truthfully, genuinely, y'all recommend this unit if you're looking for some really silky, soft hair and some good HD lace. See y'all in the next one.